Welcome to Photoshop tricks under 2 minutes. Create a rectangle or square shape. Right-click on the object layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Decrease the layer opacity to around 80% so that you can see the base image. Next, go to Edit, then Transform, and select Distort. Drag each corner of your rectangle to the corners of the base image. Once done, right-click on the rectangle and select Warp. Drag the sides and middle to match the base image, then hit Enter. To add your graphics, double-click on the Smart Object thumbnail. It will then open a new tab and paste your image there. Save, then close. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.